Hey guys, welcome to RodStormTV. We have a tree here, a part of the tree. We're gonna put it in the hole and then wrap it up some firecrackers like Cobra 8, Cobra 7, small ones, big ones, everything will be. So let's roll it, guys. I'm gonna put this down. Everything is almost done. The small, tiny, red one. Oh, the rain is coming. Oh, that's bad. Okay, let's roll it. Oh, the second one, the blue one. Nothing will happen with the tree. Do you agree with me? Okay. Mephistomane, new one. The bomb! The bomby. Oh, the fast burning small firecracker. Boom! No, boom. Book! The turn for the boom dome. Boom. Poke. Oh, poke. Boom. Poke. Oh, poke. The bang time. Bangy. The tree is still alive. That will be. DXP010. Exploder number 4. Oh, the red fire! Exploder number 5. Number 5. Still nothing happened with it. Okay, silence. Boom. That's what just happened with the tree, nothing special. Let's continue our story. Time for heavy ones. Cobra 6. That will be something special for you guys. Special. What will happen? The time for Cobra number 7. That what just happened with Cobra 6. Oh, Christmas time. Christmas time is coming to us. Okay. The new one, Return 100. Return 100. Let's roll it, guys. Return to about 15 reps. This is enough. Enough for now. Return time. And that's the first time for me to fire up Returner. Oh, first time, Returner time. Return, oh, return, oh, return. Oh, returno! Okie dokie, guys. That's surprise time. The Cobra 8. The Cobra 8. The final Cobra number 8. That was another firecracker power test by me. Have a nice day, subscribe, like it to see more. Thank you, bye bye.